Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. I want to take a quick second and say thank you to the channel members. Thank you guys so much. And thank you for anybody that comes in to check out the knife, the EDC content. Thank you, thank you. And if you're so inclined and you haven't had a chance yet, if you'd hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, it would really help me out. So today we've got this unboxing that was sent over for me to check out that's making its way around from Brother Matisfaction, and I'm really excited to see what's in here. So I'm going to take my Amazon butterfly knife and try to cut into this without cutting what's in there. There we go. All right. We're getting there, guys. We are getting there. All right. So guys, what we have here is a package from Aries EDC. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Aries EDC. Actually, the logo goes like that. No, it goes like that. I'm confused now. It goes one of these ways. It does not go this way. I think it goes this way. But anyways, let's take a look at what we have here. Did Maddie tape it up yet? All right. Get some of these notes out of the way. All right, because this is just an unboxing, guys. I will get all the deets in the in our rocking review. So bear with me as I put this beautiful, amazing fixed blade. Move this box out of the way. All right, guys. So what we have here is the bloom, an AEB-L, acid etched, overall length 5.5, my size, handle lava flow. Look at that. Oh yes, look at that. So guys, if you've watched, anyway, we've also got the bead and the paracord. You've got these beautiful Kirinite handles with G10 liners, and it looks like G10 pins. And guys, the finish on these is stunning. I love the acid etched blade, and there's the logo, which tells me that I was probably wrong. Boom. There we go. Boom. Boom. Ooh. Wicked sharp. Guys, this is a beautiful little knife. And the lanyard, I think I've told you guys in a lot of my overviews, review videos, when I'm showing you my small fixies that all have lanyard tubes or lanyard holes, this is the perfect way to do a short lanyard to give you that extra purchase. This is a 3-finger knife for me, but with the lanyard, you get the full 4 fingers to put on it. The sheath is done exceptionally well. I love the big holes in the taco sheath. You've got a strap so you can carry this horizontally on your belt. I'd carry this one right by my appendix to the right of my belt buckle, or I would probably come in and put one of my short ulti clips on it and carry it vertically in my back pocket. So let's see how this bad boy cuts. Again, this is just an unboxing. I will get you guys. Ooh. Guys, this is therapeutically slicey. I expected it to cut. I did not expect it to be this sharp. Really good blade geometry. You've got a 3/4 inch, roughly 3/4, not inch, but 3/4 blade flat grind. Whoops. Nice sharpening choil. Done just the way you want a sharpening choil done. Guys, this Kirinite handles with the red and the G10 liner looks just stunning. Love the acid etched blade. I love the way it fits my hand. What I'm going to have to do, guys, is carry this bad boy. I'm not going to cut anything super hard with it because I want to send it on for it to be looked at. But I can tell you Aries EDC is making some super cool knives. I will put a link in I follow these guys on Instagram, or this guy, and he makes not just this knife, he makes a Yokota, which is kind of a sheep's foot, a little bit longer blade, a Tobiko, and several other knives. There's just some really cool blades he's making, and I'm looking forward to being able to grab one. So I am going to check this bad boy out and give you guys a little closer look. And I'll get you a full overview review and my thoughts coming up in the next little while, hopefully by the end of the weekend. But guys, this is, again, our, where'd my little card go? That's weird. It was sitting right on my table and it disappeared. Must be just going brain dead in my old age, guys. But it's the Bloom. It is in AEB-L steel. I don't know if I mentioned this, but it is a Peter's heat treat. So the heat treat, I can only imagine, is done perfectly. And guys, I look forward to giving you guys the deets after I experience it. I can tell you right now, I'm a fan. I've been a fan of all the ones I look at on the IG, and I will definitely be getting an Aries EDC fixie. And guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts. And always choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.